Hey man, what's going on with y'all, boy, man? So this ain't exactly how I had it planned and set up, but so this like a little song, man. I just want to give y'all like a little song right quick, and this not the exact angle I wanted to have it at. I wanted to have it like somewhere like over here, but I mean this will do. Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all like this angle or not. So it's better than, you know, me holding the camera or me putting it up. Well, I'm gonna still give y'all like a head POV. Pause. Like I'm finna put the camera on my head and give y'all a little POV. I know y'all hear that V8 back there, man. But yeah, bro. Let me know if y'all like this, bro. This shit gonna be hard. I'm finna make a whole series with this, bro. I ain't gonna even lie. This shit hard. But yeah, bro. I'm just not getting off work, bro. It's hot out here. I'm finna go I might either go play basketball or work out because I need to do one of the two. It just all depends. If some people at the court, I'm gonna go play basketball. But if not, I'm finna go run the track. Cause gotta stay fit, my boy. Gotta stay fit for sure. And I need to see if they be right. Hold on. Alright, so yeah, I just want to see if it was right. Damn, face oily, greasy, all type shit, man. Yeah, I have to work outside and all that. It be so hot, bro. The degrees say 90 degrees right now, bro. This shit like so exciting, bro, cause like it's like nobody on YouTube really did it before. I'm like the only one that really gave y'all a POV like this, bro. Like, this shit hard. I just like YouTube for real, bro. I just like making videos for y'all boys for real. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see my shit screaming today, boy. But I was gonna give y'all a video of me driving a Tesla. That might be coming in the future though. I'm gonna test out this Tesla, man, and I'm gonna see how the Tesla's like. Somebody told me that if I drive a Tesla, it's gonna change my whole mindset. Cause me, you know me, I like V8s and all that. They was telling me like, you know, it can be anything off the line. I believe them. I know it can be anything off the line, but it just, bro, Teslas don't have no sound, bro. This shit, it's boring. Like, who wanna be riding in the car just like that all day, just quiet? Like, bro, I wanna hear my loud ass V8, bro. I say that in every video. Like, the main reason I got that car, bro, I just love the V8. I love the sound, bro. I like the muscle car, like the aggressive shit, bro. What that boy Brun be doing, like the little, I like the aggressive shit, man. Pause. Nigga, what? But yeah, bro, let me know if y'all like this angle right here. Push it over a little bit. Push it up. Just so y'all can see a little bit more. But yeah, bro, that angle hard to me, I ain't gonna lie. That's like somebody just recording in the back seat. I don't even have to do nothing for real. I can really show y'all how to use these paddle shifters and everything, bro. I did sport. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That last nigga in the video, y'all got, bro. I got a lot of dirt in my system right now too, working outside. But the last nigga in the other video, bro, the BMW nigga, bro, he ain't really supposed to beat me because, well, I realized I had my AC on. I turned my sport on like midway throughout the race. Nah, I'm just lying. I had sport on the whole time, but I did have AC on though. I had my AC on. I kind of had my window cracked, but hey, I'm gonna let them have it. I'm gonna let y'all BMW nigga have it though. I was, you know, I had the AC on. I had it on full blast because it was hot that day, and I forgot all about that. But bro had caught me slipping and everything, and when he got the wind, nigga started pumping his fist and shit. I'm like, bro, what the hell? You Kobe or something? But nah, that's really funny though. I'm gonna mod my car, bro. I'm gonna mod my Scat one day, bro. I just like to take my time with stuff, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, bro, I really wanna wide body my shit, man. Wide body Scat. That'd be crazy. But y'all in the comment section, let me know if y'all like that view, man. The view go crazy. That's an old school know if y'all like this type of POV or the POV with me, like, you know, having the camera on my head and showing y'all the road and all that. So just let me know. You know, I bring y'all either one. I might just switch it up. One video I might bring y'all one of these. One video I might bring y'all the street. You know what I mean? So hey, you never know. I did want to get y'all that Tesla video though, but that shit was taking too long. I had to go. Bro gonna let me ride in Tesla, but I wasn't finna wait that long. If anything, I just go to a dealership and then test drive one. I do want to test drive an electric vehicle though, just to, like, you know, get that feeling. I do want to test drive a Plaid. That's a Corvette up there. I don't even know what this video gonna be about. I just want to show y'all my new setup a little bit. I don't know if it look too good because I'm recording off the front camera right now. So I just want to. It's really like a little test right now. And next video I'm gonna you know, switch it up, record off the back camera. It's gonna look even better. So. Let me use my paddle shift. I try that bitch down in fourth gear. What the hell I'm doing? Y'all, hey, I know y'all be hearing that whine though. That whine be crazy. Hey man, I'm finna get more consistent on YouTube, bro. 2-3 months ago, bro, I was doing like real good in terms of like views and all that, like in the algorithm and everything. I was getting like 1,000 some views video. I was getting like 1,000 or 2,000 a video, and that's good for where I'm at right now. And I just like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, like I kind of like lost the love for like doing YouTube. It was because I posted video. I post a video on Instagram. If y'all ain't follow my Instagram, it's 392. Well, it's at 392.dio. So I posted that video, did like 400,000, and then, bro, it's like it was like the girl in the video. She had a track out. That was like a dog in her ass. I'm like, bro, this shit crazy. Like, is this the type of shit I really want? Like, I ain't got time for no negative shit like this. But it like, that didn't really get to me. Like, I mean, it kind of got to me like, bro, do I really want to deal with some negative shit, or do I want like a positive ass, like how J. Cole was in? But at the end of the day, bro, this is what I really want to do. Like, I really want to do YouTube, so I can't let that stop me. That's why I had to tell myself in the back of my head, I can't let no negative comments stop me. And that wasn't even talking about me or nothing. It's just like, bro, I like to live like a peaceful, positive life. Like, you won't catch me nowhere. I just be to myself, with my girl, with my family. That's it. And I don't be like, if I do go somewhere like to a car meet or something, it's for a video or something, but I don't really be outside like that. It's just, I just kind of lost motivation, but I had kind of got back right though. So now, shit, I'm finna get y'all consistent ass videos, so y'all boy be like, sharing. Y'all boy better like, share, comment, subscribe right now. And yeah, bro, we just got stuck in some damn traffic. So that might do it for the video, man. Make sure y'all boy like, share, comment, subscribe. And we at 10 minutes right now too, so good ass time. Hey man, make sure y'all stay to the end of the video too, cause I need some watch time. I need some watch hours, bro. Like, help a nigga out, bro. Like, share the video to your mama. Alright, man, before I was so rudely interrupted, I was saying share the video with your friends, your family, and everything. I'm finna give y'all bangers on the way, man, for real. Dead ass. Dead ass, B. But hey man, let's do it.
My nigga, I'm glad you said this.